Rosan. Today we are playing a game of Steam from Steam. So this is Super Rough Boat. So yeah, let's go back. I had to go and lower the sound a little. It was really loud. So let's go to tutorial. The first thing. So what should I do? Pew 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 pew. I was not expecting this. Okay, so you can just hold it. And what does this do? What? Wait. How do you? Oh, you have to right click that. So you can hold this too. Okay, that also works. Oh, that. Look at that. Look at that. On the top side, you can see like it takes a little time. What is this game? Like I just jumped into it because I found this on Steam for free. So I was like, yeah, okay, it's worth it. Let's just download it. So I downloaded it. Okay, so let's move. So it already says I did that already. But let's just build a little more of your app. I already did all of this. So like this or like that. Okay, so there are things in this like this, like that, like that, like that, like that, and they're all dying. Oh bro, didn't see you. Wow, a lot of waves are coming in. Die. Don't break my raft. Please don't do this. I've not done anything to you. Please. Oh man, I'm losing health. I've lost already 1 health, 2 health. This is a really tough game. This is really hard, guys. Really hard if you didn't know. So wait, can I just move? Oh yeah, I can move. No. Wow. Just literally wow. Wait, is there character select in this? Let me just quit this. Is there any character select? Screen shake, full screen, sidebar, what's that? Oh wow, you can actually change this? The side thingy. Wow, I actually like this one a lot. Raft notifier. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna camera bob. Okay, that's already on. So let's just again go to tutorial. Does spacebar do anything? I don't think so. Oh yeah, first of all WASD. So guys, if you didn't know, I have an auto clicker. Although I'm not speaking that much because I'm loving this game. So if you didn't know, I have an auto clicker. So should I turn that on? Like, I mean, yes, holding is faster. Like, but like if I turn that on, maybe it will be faster. Okay. And now I'm not even gonna build right now because like take that. I ain't letting you come in. I won't let you come in. I won't. Die. Oh, that was close. That was really close. Die. Found you. Found that shark. Kill that. Fishy. Sharky, die. Look, those sharks have like a lot of health. Why are there so many sharks? Why are there so many birds? Build. Come on, die. So is this literally the whole game? Bottle. What's this? Open it up. Trinkles are the only way to survive. What is that? Romantic novel. Gain an additional heart. Chance for lifesteal. Enemies move slower. Yeah, I'd probably take this because rough waters. Okay, let me just build up. Oh yeah, the enemies are moving way slower. Build that. Oh, I didn't see that. Wow, this is way harder than I thought. Oh my god, what is this shot? That's so humongous. There's a fish there, there's a boat there. What's happening? This game is so intense. What? Build. Die. Oh my god, this game is so intense. This game is literally so intense, guys. Oh no. Oh bro, oh no. Oh shoot. No. Oh my god. Lightning is striking. Lightning is good for me. Come on. Oh, that's so intense. That's an extra life. Oh. Like that. Should I tap it? How do you get that? You don't get that. Oh my god. That fish attacked me. Oh no. Yes. Another bottle. Holy shit. What's in this? Oh bro. Destroy rocks. No, I'm gonna take this plastic flag. Take. Oh, what? Scuba divers. What are these? What are these guys? What are these things? What? I can't see a single thing. What the hell? I died to a parrot. This game is really intense. So, oh no. So it just starts now. Okay. No. This is not happening to me. Oh, shoot. I guess this is happening to me. Die. So we know that was not a good choice to go with. As we saw. Extra life. Oh no, this is wave 2, right? This is wave 2, yeah. Oh man, there are so many sharks. Just so many sharks. What does a big shark do? I didn't see what the big shark does, did I? No. Oh bro, you don't even know, guys, how loud this is. I don't think you can. Yes. Give me. Oh bro. I know that nobody will attack us. Yeah, we can't even do building right now. No. Okay, we'll take that. The chair is no good. Double your shots. Plastic flag. Okay, let's take doubling my shots. Where is the first thing coming from? Oh yes. That's way better. Like two shots. Oh no. Okay. These things are just demons. Holy shit, I don't have a really bad shit. I don't even have a half quarter of a ship. Stay in the middle. Oh my god, this is so intense. That fishy is not gonna live. Wave 2. No, there's another wave. Something's coming here. Something's coming there. Oh no. I can't even move my boat. Oh man, what is this? No! I don't have a boat. Come on, build. No, die. I'm starting on one thing. I'm starting on one part. Please build. No. These shots. No. I can at least build, right? Like, what does that mean? I don't know. Oh bro, that is really intense. Rock sucks. Hold up to 2 rafts at once. 2 rafts, that's actually really good. I don't know what that means, but oh, that's actually very good. What are these like oh, that parrot. Oh, that's what I died to the first time. So I'm doing better than the first time at least. Holy cow, that's a lot of stuff. Like I'm not even looking at my heart. Oh shoot. No, parrot, parrot. Oh my god, I have one heart. I'm not gonna survive. I have no chance. Of survival. Not even a close chance. Give me a chance at least. At least you need to give me a chance, dude. Come on, dude. Give me a chance. What? I died to a ghost pirate. what? This game is literally like the most intense game like I've ever played. Although this video is like 10 minutes right now, I'm gonna stop it right here. And I'm gonna continue it, like not from here. I'm gonna practice a little and continue it from the next time. And sorry because I've not uploaded a video in a long time. That's because like I couldn't. But yeah, I practice a little bit more, and then yeah, I'll try to beat the game. So yeah, no, can we beat the game? I don't know that. I'm gonna search this up and practice a lot. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Bye.